Hello and welcome to the class. We are today going to continue with the hydrocarbon chapters and the questions that we were doing. Today we are concentrating our topic on alkynes. The first question in that is the type of question that we already had done is carry out the following transformation. And in this transformation, the first transformation that we are going to study is this one. CH triple bond CH3 CH C triple bond CH. Now this is acetylene. The hydrogen in acetylene are acidic hydrogen, that's why they can be removed via applying a basic medium, and then we can carry out this transformation. Let's see how. CH triple bond CH when subjected to NH2 sodium amide sodamide in liquid ammonia. Sodamide is a base, extremely strong base, NH2 minus. This will remove this acidic hydrogen CH triple bond C minus Na plus, and ammonia will be removed from the reaction medium. Now if I add CH3Br methyl bromide, this will act as a nucleophile and a nucleophilic substitution reaction will occur, and thus will produce CH triple bond CCH3. So this is the way of transforming acetylene to the product that we are desiring. Now there is another transformation in the same question. The transformation is they are asking us to transform CH triple bond CH, that is acetylene, to CH3 C triple bond CCH3, that is butene. Now the same procedure just like the last one we are going to apply but twice, that is CH triple bond CH sodamide in liquid ammonia. This will remove the one of the acidic hydrogen first, leaving this nucleophile. When CH3Br is mixed in the medium, substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction occurs, producing this particular product. Now there is another acidic hydrogen left in the medium. So if I again mixed sodamide in liquid ammonia mixture in this reaction mixture, again acid base reaction will occur and this acidic hydrogen will be removed, leaving this nucleophile. And again at this end, if we add CH3Br once again, nucleophilic substitution reaction will follow, producing our desired product. What happens when ethanolic solution of 1122 tetrabromoethane is heated with zinc dust? Now 1122 tetrabromoethane is CH Br Br CH Br Br. Now when this is heated with zinc dust in ethanolic solution, then 2 bromine atom is removed, producing acetylene. What happens when what product will be obtained when 1,2-dibromopropane is treated with soda lime in liquid ammonia solution? Now 1,2-dibromopropane, the compound is this one, CH3 CH CH2 Br. Now this compound can also be written like this, CH3 CBrH CHHBr. When this compound is treated with soda lime in liquid ammonia, NaNH2 liquid ammonia, 2 molecule of HBr is removed. As a result, propyne is formed. What product would you expect from the following reaction? The reaction is this is the reaction, and the product that we will get is, now Br and hydrogen is present there. Br and hydrogen is present there. So at first this Br will be leaving, this Br will be removed when this compound is treated with KOH in alcoholic media and then refluxed. And along with that, this HBr will also be removed, and as a result of these two removal, the cyclic alkyne will be produced. What happens when iodoform is heated with silver powder? When iodoform is heated with silver powder, this following reaction is taken place. Six silver atom reacts with 2 atom of silver molecule or 2 mole of silver molecule, chloroform molecule, and as a result 6 silver iodide precipitate out. 6 silver iodide is precipitated out, and acetylene is formed. Which of the following compounds will react with metallic sodium to produce H2 gas? And the compounds are C2H4, cyclohexane, C2H2 acetylene, and CH3CH2CH3 propane. Now acidic hydrogen, if a compound contain acidic hydrogen, that compound reacts with sodium and reacts with reactive metal like sodium and produces hydrogen gas. Among all these four, only acetylene has acidic hydrogen. Therefore, this will react with sodium to produce hydrogen gas. What happens when the gas obtained by the action of water on calcium carbide is passed through the ammoniacal silver nitrate solution? So when calcium carbide is passed through water, acetylene gas is produced. When acetylene gas reacts with silver nitrate in ammoniacal solution, that is NH4OH solution, white precipitate O of silver salt of acetylene is produced. How will you convert ethine into ethanol? First of all, we need to convert ethine, that is acetylene, into ethanol, CH3CH2OH. So, to do the conversion, at first we will apply sodalmide in liquid ammonia and CH3Br. This will give CH3CH CH3 C triple bond CH. We already had studied about this conversion in a last in a previous example. There is a acidic hydrogen present still, but in this step we will oxidize this acetylene with KMnO4 alcoholic KMnO4 solution, alkaline KMnO4 solution, and then acidified the solution after this reaction. As a result, when alkyne is oxidized in the presence of KMnO4OH, drastic oxidation occurs. As a result, two fragment is created along with the triple bond. One fragment, that is CH, that produces carbon dioxide and leave the reaction medium, and this CH3C, this one oxidizes to produce a COOH. Now, when lithium aluminum hydride is applied to it, reduction reaction occurs in carboxylic acid, and as a result of that, CH3CH2OH is obtained. Give the product obtained on ozonolysis of ethine. Now, ethine is acetylene. When acetylene is undergo ozonolysis at the first step, this particular ozonide is formed, and at the second step, when zinc H2 is mixed with this ozonide, CH double bond O is formed. This is glyoxal. How will you convert propene to propyne? Sorry, a writing mistake had occurred. This will be propyne. Now this is propene, CH3CH double bond CH2. At first it will be treated with Br2 CCl4. This will give this particular product CH3 C Br H CH CH Br. At the last step, if alcoholic KOH is mixed and then the mixture is refluxed, 2HBr will leave, leaving CH3C triple bond CH, propyne. Give an example of a reaction in which an aromatic compound is obtained from an aliphatic compound. The example of that one is going to be when acetylene is heated in the presence of maybe iron dust or copper dust in high heat temperature, benzene is produced. Now how this happen is, this will aromatized. Identify A and B. The reaction is CH3C triple bond CCH3 sodium liquid ammonia B. H2 PbPd palladium CaCO3 quinoline lead acetate. This is known as Lindlar catalyst. A. Now the answer is that CH3 C triple bond CCH3 when it is treated with sodium in liquid ammonia, trans-butene is formed. And when this is interact with Lindlar catalyst, the cis isomer will be formed. What happens when acetylene is treated with 20% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4? Now, when acetylene CH double bond triple bond CH is treated with 20% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4, water is added to the triple bonded carbons. On the left hand side carbon, hydrogen will add from the water, double bond CH and OH will be added to the right handed carbon. Now double bonded carbon having OH is extremely unstable. As a result, a rearrangement will occur resulting in CH3CHO acetaldehyde.